The volume of punches. There's another combination, and that's it. Albert Kenny has seen it up. Welcome.
And still undefeated, Adam Babyface Kownacki.
Natomiast tutaj teraz Kownacki, tak jest i spada rywal. Szkoda, że nie kazał mu jeszcze chodzić po jakiejś presji, ale tak jest, za to z kolei błyskawicznie zareagował.
Adam Babyface Kownacki.
Helenius able to change the equation. Right hand again. Kownacki is wobbled. In comes Helenius. Nordic Nightmare is drilling Kownacki. Kownacki rocked again. Clean headshots.
Oh boy.
Left and right. David Fields taking a close look. Helenius pressing the advantage.
No.
And it's over. A shocker. Robert Helenius has stopped Adam Kownacki. Always been there. There's one. That rocks Kownacki. He looks for the uppercut again. And he's got Kownacki moving back. And he's hurt. Ruiz taking a closer look. 30 seconds to go in the 5th round. Kownacki tries to fire back, but he is being wounded.
That's got to take.
Robert Helenius.
Back-to-back knockouts for Robert Helenius over Adam Kownacki, this time